Today we're gonna have unboxing of 21A collection. So excited. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I literally just came from boutique. You can see that I'm extremely casual, wearing my new Moschino shirt. If you missed my latest unboxing of summer haul, I have purchased 3 new t-shirts from Farfetch. I'm gonna link it somewhere over here. Please check that video. So happy we finally, most likely I don't make any sense, I'm all over the place because I'm so happy. Finally today we have a kind of lockdown lifted in Toronto and patios are open. Not every shop, not every boutique is open, but many of them already open, and I'm so excited. I didn't have a chance to go inside Chanel because, believe it or not, there is a 3-4 hour, they said between 3 to 4 hours waiting time to get inside the boutique. I said no, I'm just gonna pick up my purchase and go home. But then I couldn't, you know, I went to patio, had my meal, had my cake, had such a great time, you know, me, myself and I had an absolutely gorgeous date with myself, purchased myself a new book as well, had a lunch/dinner, read my book. I mean, it was fun finally to go outside and have a time of my life. So in such a mood, I decided I'm not gonna wait until I'm gonna do my hair properly, etc, and do unboxing. I decided to do unboxing with you, and I literally mean it. I didn't look at the handbag yet, so we're gonna look together. So excited. I'm hoping that I'm gonna love it. I think I'm gonna love it. There is no way I'm gonna hate this handbag. Okay, so here's the packaging. This could be also my you know, thumbnail. Should be like that. Okay, so obviously proof of purchase, I'm gonna keep it over there. Oh my god, I so hope that I'm gonna love it. Ta-da! Oh, this is the sound, like, you know, of ripping off the papers. Oh my goodness, so excited. So let me just put everything back. And here's the dust bag. Okay, I'm myself just gonna look at, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So excited, so excited. So first and most, 21A Chanel mini reissue, rose gold color with the rose gold hardware. I spoke with my say, and she works for Chanel, I think around 10 years, 8-10 years for sure. And she said, oh, for sure, I think 10 years for sure. And she said on her practice, it's the first time ever she saw the rose gold hardware. She believes also it's Chanel first time ever did rose gold hardware. And when I say rose gold, it's not a light color, it's really kind of like really dark rose gold, if I may say, but absolutely beautiful. Also on Instagram, mostly everybody showing this handbag more of the kind of orangey color. I don't have very bright light right now, but to me it's more looking like a pink. Here guys, you see, it's actually pink. I don't know why. Obviously it depends on the lighting, but somewhat on Instagram, mostly everybody showing this handbag looking almost like a copper, but it's definitely not a copper. It's definitely not a copper. So let me see inside. So this is, I guess, a new system. If you could see that metal thingy, so that's the kind of like a chip, because obviously there is no authenticity card anymore. Let me just check. Maybe there is by mistake authenticity card in this handbag. No chance. So let me see where it's made. Let me grab my glasses. I'm just looking with the glasses right now on this handbag, and it's definitely rose, not orangey color as it shows on Instagram in many pictures. It's kind of, if I could describe, it's kind of like a dusty pink rose color, like, you know. I don't see any copper. I guess it depends on the lighting. If the lighting a little bit yellow, it's gonna give you kind of yellowish look, but in mine you can see it's like, the way I'm looking right now at the camera, it's pretty much true to the color. You can see it's definitely pink. It's not copper, it's not orangey, it's definitely pink, but it's not a bright pink. It's kind of muted pink. Absolutely gorgeous. I confirmed. Let me just focus so you can see here. You can see how pink it is. I confirmed with my essay, and she says this is made of calf skin, so it's absolutely gorgeous. Here is the hardware. You can see it's kind of dark. It's a rose gold, but it's definitely dark. Absolutely gorgeous. My handbag is made in France. Right there. I hope it's focusing. Most likely it's hard to see, but it's made in France. Just have to trust me on that one. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is my new baby. I'm over the moon that I got this handbag, and as you know, guys, I'm not very pink person, but you know what, it's actually not true when I say that I'm not very pink person, because to be honest, before my 40s, even up to 45, I used to wear lots of pink. But then somehow in my head, I thought it's very inappropriate for women 50 plus to wear pink color. And now I'm kind of almost like exploring that opportunity once again to wear pink, but obviously not a Barbie, not a kind of cotton candy pink, more of this dusty rose. It's a perfect color personally for me, I think, and I'm so excited to have it in my collection. So currently, this is the only pink handbag in my collection, and it's Chanel, it's Reissue, it's calf skin, it's metallic calf skin, metallic rose gold, and with the rose gold hardware. I mean, like, if you want to have a pink handbag in your collection, what else can you ask for? I'm so over the moon that I was able to score this handbag. It's getting really dark outside, and most likely my lighting is not bright enough. Anyway, maybe on some other day, maybe like tomorrow, I'm gonna film this handbag outside, and I'm gonna insert some kind of clip with the color, like, you know, from the outside daylight, that you're gonna see what kind of true color. But I would say, even right now with the dark lighting, it's actually, it's very hard to see, but trust me, it's not orange, it's definitely a pink. So this is my unboxing for today. So over the moon. As I said, I hope I'm gonna insert some kind of modeling shots. So please, guys, put your comments below if you like it or dislike it, because, you know, when it comes to this new color and this new hardware. It's kind of like, you know, two opposite poles. Like some people love it, some people hate it, etc. I personally absolutely love it. So happy to have in my collection. I know that Fashion Junkie, she did unboxing before me, and she got also card holder and another wallet in from this collection. It's beautiful. I know that today I'm all over the place because I'm so excited. But anyway, there you go, guys. So happy. Comment below, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.